Hello YouTube, what is up? This is Steve and today I'm gonna be telling you about how you can get PS Plus 14-day trial without credit card and PayPal account. So let's get started. So the first thing that you wanna do is click on the three dots at the top right of the page, go to history or simply click Ctrl H and click on clear browsing data. Then go to the advanced settings, click on all time, and then check everything and click on clear data. Once you've done that, open up a new incognito window and search for PSN and open up the first site. Then what you want to do is open up a new tab, search for Namsogen and open up the first site. Then what you want to do is open up a new tab and search for CC Checker. This will be the specialhacking.webscenario.com site. After that, you also want to add the email generator. Once you've done all of these steps, you want to go to the PlayStation Network sites and close all the cookies that show up. Do not accept it or otherwise this method will not work. Then you want to click on the sign in button. If it does not show up, wait for some time and it will. Then you want to close up all the cookies and click on create a new account. Then you want to click start. You want to set the country to Oman. Keep the language at English or any other that you want. Enter a random date of birth, just ensure that it is above 18 years of age. Then you want to click on next. And now you want to open the email generator site. You need to copy the email that shows up, or if you don't like that, just generate a new email and copy that one. You want to paste the email, make a password, just make sure it's more than 8 characters. Re-enter the password. And hit on next. Once you've done that, for some of you it will ask for the residential address and for others it will not. And if the email does not work, then you just want to go to the email generator and generate a new email and add it. For the city you will be adding Muscat with a capital M. For the state you'll also be adding Muscat with a capital M. And for the postcode you will be entering 11140. I repeat, 11140. Then for the online ID you can use any random one of them, and for the name, any random name, as this won't be your main account, you will just be sharing PS Plus to your main account. Then you wanna hit next. Then you wanna click on agree and create account. Then you wanna click on OK. And now this site will appear. It will say update your account. First you wanna close up all the cookies and click on next then. Then you wanna go down and click on continue. Then what you wanna do is close the cookies and click on the smiley icon on the top right of the page. Then you wanna go down and click on payment management. Once you've come here, it will say that verify your email address. Then you wanna go to the email generator site, and now there will be an email saying please verify your account. You wanna click on that. Click on the blue verify now button and this site will appear. Then you wanna click on OK, close the site and go back to the verify email site. Then you wanna click on already verified, and now your email is verified. Now what you want to do is click on the add payment method button, then click on add a credit/debit card, and now you want to go to the Naam Sujan site. Then you want to close up all the ads. Then you want to enter the bin number, which is 534417. I repeat, 534417. Once you've done that, you can put any quantity, but I suggest putting it at 10. If none of them works, then you can generate 10 more or maybe 50 more. Then you want to click on the bottom right of the page, and you want to copy it to clipboard. Then you want to go to the checker CC, paste it, and hit start. So the credit cards that show in the die category won't work. The ones that show in the unknown category certainly are unknown, and the ones that show up in the live category are the ones which are going to work. In this example, I added 10 credit cards over here, out of which only 3 worked. The other 7 were either dead or unknown. So you wanna use the credit cards that show up in the live category. So this part of the credit card is the credit card number. The next is the expiry month, the next being the expiry year, and at the last it is the 3-digit bin number. So you wanna copy the credit card number and paste it in the credit card number place. For the previous methods, you had to put a space bar after the credit card number, but for this method you don't. And then in the cardholder name, you can enter any random name. Just make sure it looks legit. Then you want to enter the expiry month and the expiry year. For my case, it is 3/2024. Then then you want to enter the 3-digit CVV, which is at the end. Then you want to hit next. Then this page will show up, which will say add a credit/debit card. So for the address line 1, you want to enter P.O space BOX space 19 all capital. I repeat, P.O space BOX space 19 all capital. For the city, you want to enter capital MUSCAT. For the state, capital MUSCAT. And for the postcode, you want to enter 11140. I repeat, 11140. Then you want to go down and hit save. For me, it worked on my first try. As you can see, the credit card has been added, but for some of you, it won't work on the first try. Then what you want to do is go to the checker CC, use all of these live credit cards. If none of them work, then you want to go back to the Naam Sujan site, generate a new batch of credit cards, and then you want to copy it, paste it onto checker CC, and use the live ones. This is how you can get the credit cards added to your account. Then the next step that you have to do is simply just go to your PlayStation, create a new user, add the Gmail that you created. Just keep in mind that do not forget the random email and do not forget the password. Then you want to keep these in mind, and then what you want to do is create a new user, go to PlayStation Store, go to PS Plus, and click on the 14-day trial, and then buy it. Like this, you can get the PS Plus 14-day trial for free without credit card and PayPal. This was a sneak from Those Pros Gaming and Tech. Hope you're staying safe at your homes.